Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. I got quite a few photos sent in over the course of the month of January. I do this video the first Sunday of every month. The other Sundays are question and answer videos. If you have gardening questions, you can ask them down at the bottom of this video, and I will pick through those each week and decide which ones that will help the group the most. And that tends to be the ones that I answer on those weeks. So thank you very much for participating in the Subscriber Sunday. Thanks for participating in the question and answer videos. Those have been pretty popular every Sunday. And I've got a few giveaways coming up and some travel plans for the spring and those kinds of things that I'll be sharing with you over the next few Sundays on the question and answer videos. So let's get started on the subscriber photos. Thanks for participating.